Hi everyone, it's Vera from Veriepear, and today I will show you how to make these botanical herb mini envelopes. If you want to craft along, then there is a link in the description box down below, and that will take you to the digital kit that you need to make these mini envelopes. So this kit comes with 12 envelopes to make, and there are 5 different types of envelopes. And it also comes with many different fuzzy cut elements and some postcards as well. So without further ado, let's start crafting. This kit also comes with 5 options for backing papers. So here's the first one. You can choose, of course, just one, but I chose to print them all just also, that I can show you, but you can choose your favorite one, of course. Or you can just combine a few. It's really up to you. I only left this sheet empty on the back because these are the envelopes that you won't really see the inside of. So I thought it would be a bit of a waste of ink, really. And then there's also this sheet, which are tiny postcards which you can put in the envelopes. Now you can either glue them back to back, but I chose to print them on backing paper so I have more envelopes to get creative with. So let's start by cutting out all the elements. Now we've also actually just released a new junk journal kit, the Botanical Herbs junk journal kit, which goes perfectly well with these little envelopes. So you could, for example, use these envelopes as embellishments for your junk journal. I will also leave a link to that junk journal kit in the description box down below. I've cut all pieces, including the fuzzy cut elements, so now it's time to score the envelopes, and for that I'm using a scoring board, but if you don't have one you can just use a ruler and something sharp, like an empty pen or a bone folder if you have one. And because we're folding the envelopes to the inside like this, it's probably better to score them on the backing paper side. Now we can fold the envelopes by simply folding each flap towards the inside. And just simply glue them down. I'm using some glue stick. And then you have a mini envelope. Let's do the other ones as well. So this one is a little coin envelope. And because I haven't used any backing paper for this envelope, I'm just going to use a little bit of distress ink. Like so. And this is the color Antique Linen by Tim Holtz. So now that all the envelopes are ready, I'm going to ink some edges here and there. But this is of course totally optional. And this way you can easily hide any mistakes you may have made or any white bits you may still see. And I will also do the same for the postcards. That's done as well, so I'm going to put in the postcards in the envelopes. And for the ones that are still empty, I'm going to fill them with some embellishments. I will actually also ink these. Isn't that just cute? Right, so now I have some embellishments left over, so you can just glue them on, or yeah, do whatever you want. You can add some lace or fabric. I think I'm gonna add some cotton here and there. So what you can do, for example, is attach these embellishments to this side of the envelope, let this card stick a little bit out like so, maybe use some 3D foam tape to give it more dimension, or use a piece of cotton, roughen up the edges a little bit, maybe like this. I think that's cute. This is where you really get to make these envelopes your own. And it also depends on what you want to use these envelopes for, because you can, for example, glue them in your junk journal using the back side. So then you might want to embellish this side with some little creative bits and pieces. Or if you want to use them as regular envelopes, you might want to embellish this side and just close them. I don't know, you could really do anything you want. I think I will be using these as embellishments for an upcoming junk journal that I will be making using the matching junk journal kit. And there will also be a video of that coming up, hopefully next week. And that's them all done. Isn't it a cute collection? Like I said, a link to the digital kit with all the printables you need to make these mini envelopes is in the description box below, so make sure to check that out if you also want to make these. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye!